Hello friends, today we will discuss about the buffer solution. What is buffer action, what are acidic buffer, basic buffer, its application. Buffer solution is defined as solution which resists drastic changes in pH when a small amount of strong acid or strong base or water is added to it. The types of the solution. First, acidic buffer solution, and second, basic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution to maintain the acidic pH, and basic buffer solution to maintain alkaline pH, that is a basic pH. Acidic buffer solution, a solution containing a weak acid and its salt with strong base. Weak acid and its salt with strong base is called as a acidic buffer solution. Example, sodium acetate. Sodium acetate and weak acid, acetic acid, means acetic acid and its salt with a strong base NaOH, that is a sodium acetate. A solution containing weak acid such as acetic acid and its salt such as sodium acetate is an acidic buffer solution. pH of acidic buffer is given the equation pH is equal to pKa plus log base 10 concentration of the salt divided by concentration of the acid, where pK is equal to minus log Ka. You know, this is a Ka is a dissociation constant of acid according to Oswald dilution law. Second, basic buffer solution. Basic buffer solution, a solution containing weak base and its salt with strong acid is the basic buffer solution. Weak base and salt with strong acid is strong acid. Example, ammonium chloride and weak base ammonium hydroxide. The solution containing weak base ammonium hydroxide and its salt such as pOH of basic buffer is given by pOH is equal to pKb plus log base 10 concentration of the salt divided by concentration of the base, where pKb is equal to minus log Kb having also base 10. You know, this Kb dissociation constant of the phase. These equations are called as Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Buffer action. Next point. Buffer action. Let us consider sodium acetate and acetic acid buffer. Sodium acetate and acetic acid buffer. Here sodium acetate, strong electrolyte which is dissociated completely in water and producing CH3COO minus ions. You know, Na plus ion. This is a strong electrolyte. Neglect this. For CH3COO minus ion, as in the solution, write some sodium acetate in aqueous solution gives CH3COO minus ions in the aqueous solution plus Na plus ion in the aqueous solution. Acetic acid is a weak acid. The concentration of undissociated acetic acid molecules is usually high. If strong acid is added in this solution, the H plus ion concentration goes on increases, and this H plus ion consumed by this CH3COO minus present in the large concentration. Similarly, if small amount of base is added here, that is OH minus ions, and the neutralize the large concentration of acetic acid, you know, CH3COO minus ion in the aqueous medium added strong acid, that is H plus ion concentration. This H plus ion accept this and formation of the acetic acid in the aqueous medium. This is present in the large concentration in this buffer solution. This CH3COOH in the presence of large concentration in the aqueous medium added strong base OH minus, this is neutralized to it and formation of this CH3COO minus in the M plus H2O in the form of liquid. The acid or base is added, then cannot change concentration of the H plus or OH minus ions, and means pH of the solution remains same, that is the pH of the buffer remains unchanged. Properties of the buffer solution. The pH of buffer solution does not change by addition of small amount either strong acid or strong base on dilution, and where it is kept for long times, pH does not change for the buffer solution. Next, applications of buffer solutions. Some application. First, biochemical system. pH of blood in our body is maintained at 7.36 to 7.42. Due to this, maintain this buffer, carbonic acid and its salt. This is the excess of buffer. May change in this pH 0.2 cause death. The saline solution used for intravenous injection must contain buffer system to maintain the proper pH of the blood. Second, agriculture. The soils get buffered due to presence of salts such as carbonate, bicarbonate, phosphate and organic acid. The choice of fertilizers depends upon the pH of the soil. Third, industry. Buffers play an important role in paper, dye, ink, paint and drug industry. Fourth, medicines. Penicillin preparations are stabilized by addition of sodium citrate as a buffer. Then citric acid is added to milk of magnesia. Magnesium citrate is formed, which is buffer. Fifth, analytical chemistry. In qualitative analysis, pH of 8 to 10 is required for precipitation of cations. Third, A group. It is maintained with use of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride buffer solution.